In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your Amazon shopping cart. Whether you're tidying up your list or have simply changed your mind about a purchase, removing items from your cart is quick and easy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we need to get to your Amazon shopping cart. To do this, look up at the top right corner of the Amazon home page. You'll see a small cart icon, often highlighted with a number indicating how many items are currently in your cart. Give that cart icon a click. This action will lead you to a dedicated page showing all the items you've selected to purchase. Now that we're in your cart, it's time to identify the specific item you want to remove. Browse through the list presented, which includes all the products you've been considering. This list is usually organized in the order items were added, so locating the one you want should not be too difficult. Take a moment to double-check that it's the correct product, as you wouldn't want to accidentally delete something you intend to keep. With the item identified, we can proceed to the removal stage. Right next to the item, you'll spot a few actionable links, one of which is labeled Delete. This button is key to removing the unwanted item from your cart. Click on the Delete link, and just like that, the item vanishes from your shopping list. This action updates your cart immediately, reflecting one fewer item, and often recalculates any totals if multiple items were involved. A useful tip to keep in mind is that this action is reversible. If you accidentally removed an item, you can easily search the product again and add it back to your cart. However, it's always wise to take a second look before confirming the deletion, just to be sure you're making the right choice. It's also worth mentioning that managing your online cart in this way is an excellent habit, especially if you're trying to stick to a budget or focus on more intentional buying. By regularly reviewing and removing items you're no longer interested in, you keep your cart, and ultimately your purchases, more streamlined. You may find this process helps keep impulse buys in check, ensuring that you only purchase what you truly need or want at the moment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete items from your Amazon shopping cart. Keeping your online shopping organized is now just a few clicks away. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a cart that's free of clutter and filled with only the things you genuinely want to buy. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy shopping.